Introducing the UV Care Pure Air Portable Air Purifier. Designed with your family's health in mind, this compact and rechargeable device provides clean and fresh air wherever you go. How to assemble the clip. Attach the clip securely to the main unit by aligning the clip locks. The clip is multi-directional, so it can be worn or attached in multiple ways. How to charge. Using the provided micro USB cable and USB adapter, plug in the unit to start charging. To know if your unit is charging, the indicator will light up in red. To fully charge, it will take approximately 3.5 hours. Before we start, here are a few reminders. Twist the front cover of the unit counterclockwise to open. Don't forget to remove the plastic packaging of the HEPA filter. Place back the filter. Place back the front cover of the unit and twist clockwise. Place the unit securely on top of a table or clip it to your stroller, baby carrier, crib, clothing or bag strap. Make sure that the unit is fully charged. Let's start purifying the air. Press the power button to turn on the unit. You'll know that the unit is turned on if the indicator is lit up in green. The plasma ions will automatically be emitted and the UVC LED light will turn on. Essential oil aromatherapy. Switch off the unit. Twist the front cover of the unit counterclockwise to open. Put 1 to 2 drops of your preferred essential oil onto the cartridge. Place back the front cover of the unit and twist clockwise. Medical grade HEPA filter replacement. Switch off the unit. Twist the front cover of the unit counterclockwise to open. Gently pull out the filter to remove. Don't forget to remove the plastic packaging of the HEPA filter. Replace with a new filter. Place back the front cover of the unit and twist clockwise. Replace the HEPA filter every 6 to 12 months. Do not wash or vacuum. Now you can breathe clean and fresh air wherever, whenever,